Hey everyone, if your Vercel deployments are slow in 2026, like long build times or stuck processing, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Vercel slow deployment issue step by step. First, open Vercel and check your build logs. Sometimes the process is slow because it is waiting on a specific step or error. Next, reduce your project size by removing unnecessary files and dependencies. Large projects naturally take longer to build. Now, optimize your dependencies. Unused packages can slow down installation and build performance. After that, make sure caching is enabled. Without caching, Vercel rebuilds everything from scratch every time. Next, check your GitHub repository size. Large media files or unnecessary assets can slow down deployments. Now, verify your build command and framework settings. Incorrect configuration can increase build time significantly. After that, optimize your framework setup, like disabling unnecessary plugins in next.js. This can improve performance. Finally, clear your cache and redeploy a fresh build. This removes old build delays and improves speed. So yeah, that's how you fix Vercel's slow deployment issue in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your deployments should become much faster. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more deployment tutorials for beginners.